calling? Are you calling Aiden? Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Who are you calling? Who are you calling? Did you say Aiden? Did you say Aiden? Aiden, say something. Did you hear him? You're calling Aiden? Aiden? Where is he? He's downstairs. Uh-huh. I know. Oh, goodness. I know. He's downstairs.